Kwa ihinda mihango ya gucokia wigiririki mirutire-ini ya wira ruhonge-ini rwa KEMSA ikoretwo igithie na mbere guku minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe akiuga no nginya aria marathukia ukinyaniria wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri kuri muingi meherio iturwa-ini iria mari nacio.
There is no step we are unwilling to take to ensure that Kenyans get value for their money. So whatever it takes, whatever reforms are necessary. Yes, it is true, there is a cleaner process going on at KEMSA. This cleaner process has been called for by the public, has been called for by the media, has been called for by both houses of parliament. And this cleanup might mean that yes, we will have to re-engineer KEMSA.
Mutahi augite mihango eno ya gutheria ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ruria rugomeirwo ni cieko cia ungumania irekwa wabici-ini ciothe cia ruhonge ruru na maumirira ni mambitie kwiyonania.
2 years ago I spoke about a mafia house. I can tell you now, my friends, that's gone. We are a mafia house, and you can take that to the bank.
Mutahi auma hamwe na arũgamĩrĩria nyũmba cia mohoro gĩikaro gĩa kwarĩrĩria tabarĩra ya gũtambia motungata ma ũgima wa mwĩrĩ guothe bũrũri-inĩ UHC.
Conversation with that very clear intention that we open the doors for editors to do their job, and when the editors do their job well, the reporters then are also able to do their job, and when editors and reporters do their job, Kenyans are left in a better place.
Anyitite kuma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri NHIF na KEMSA ona umauma gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwa Karo, Kenyugo Mwaura.